I was trying to get up to the trailhead this morning before sunrise so we could capture it from there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to due to all the rerouting and detours that were around Duluth. Okay guys, I just want to break in here for a second and apologize for some of the poor quality of the filming. It was extremely humid and the lenses kept fogging up, and then with the added low light there was a lot of noise in some of the video. I apologize for that in advance, and I hope everybody still enjoys. Well, I'm on the Superior hiking trail. We're going to do Split Rock Ridge Trail, which is supposed to kind of follow around the Split Rock River. I'm by myself today because I couldn't find anyone that wanted to take on a moderately rated trail. So we're going to see how this goes today. This bridge is out up here and they don't suggest water crossings, but we'll see how deep the water is. See if we can cross the river. It's a 5-mile loop. Well, temperatures are sitting right around 72, 73 degrees, but the humidity is up around 85%. So it is kind of a sweltering, ugly day already, and it's only 6:30 in the morning. Could be a fun little hike. I had to come to the top of the waterfall here just to see from down below. Now we'll go down below and check it out from there. Oh, big difference on these creeks and rivers from when I was up here earlier this spring with Austin at Tetaguchi there. Big cedar there. The bridge crossing. That's a pretty little waterfall. Imagine after rain it would be real big. Come on guys, start leaving no trace. beautiful spot to take a little break. Pretty nice, huh? Listening to that water sure is soothing. Unfortunately, I don't know if this one's got a very good access. Pretty steep hillside here. Try to scramble down. Boy, Riley's missing her frogs. She'd have a field day with that one. There's a couple of very nice waterfalls down there. But once again, there's so much foliage and undergrowth that you can't see. I was hoping they'd have an overlook on this one, but I haven't come across it yet. You can just get a little glimpse of this last one here from up on this side anyhow. There's a couple more down there, but I couldn't get anywhere close to the edge to see them. I think this trail wraps around to the upper side of this one, so with luck we'll be able to see a little better on it. Trail kind of wraps around over here, so we'll check this out. Ooh, looks like they got a campsite right here for the backpackers on the Superior Hiking Trail. Easy access to water, that's for sure. We'll get our Zen on here. It's just awesome how the trees are growing right out of the rock. I gotta remember to start bringing a towel with. I sweat way too much on these humid days. My glasses keep fogging up. I don't think I have a dry spot on my body to wipe them off again. I always seem to forget a towel. Yeah, the sound of that river. Ain't that awesome? I just love the sound of that. Okay, a nice little downhill climb. Pretty steep hill. And nice that they place rocks there. Yeah, you can never show the steepness with the camera. It's just something else. And just like that, we found the namesake for the trail. Split Rock Ridge on the Superior Hiking Trail. Small waterfalls everywhere on this trail. Another little one. Probably not going to have any visual access to it from any closer than what we are now. Looks like the trail kind of wraps around into the woods a little bit. Well, if you like water features, there's definitely tons of them on this trail. All the way around. This time of year there's no real big waterfall that I've seen. But I can imagine during melt-off from winter, some of these will be raging pretty good. Definitely tons of little waterfalls and rapids. Very beautiful area, very scenic trail. Go check out the campsite here. It's part of the Superior hiking trail, guys. The old bridge fell down. Well, let's see if I can fall on my head. Yeehaw. I sure gotta hand it to these Keens. Even though I just did that water crossing back there and water came up and over the top of my boots, my feet stayed dry for the most part. A little bit ran in on the top of my sock, but my feet are dry still. So I gotta give them credit. They are pretty waterproof. Taking a little break out here on the rocks. Well, I gotta tell you, I'm sure glad that sun went away and clouds moved in. If that sun was out, might burn off a little bit of the humidity, but it sure would be a cooker. Whew. Lots of these little water features on this trail. I am really glad I came out here today. I was real apprehensive about the heat and the humidity that was supposed to be today. I've now run across one camper and 2 hikers. It's not too bad when I'm working on mile 4. You gotta love these little scrambles. There's been a few of them in here. They definitely get the heart rate going. Not to mention they're kind of fun. Right at the end of my finger is where the truck is parked at. So we followed the river basically along that other ridge about almost 3 miles, I think, back, and turned around, came back up this way, and there's good old Lake Superior, all foggy and humidity just hanging in the air here. But I gotta tell you, it's been a fun trip, been a fun trail. I can definitely see coming back to this one in the fall. Cool weather and leaves. You could hear the river almost the whole way till this last half mile, a mile or so here, but you just couldn't see all of it till you got back in a ways. But yeah, so this is the valley that we were down in. Well, that kind of concludes this hike, guys. Just a little over 5 miles in and around. And this last little bit back to the truck is going to be kind of anticlimactic with having to walk along the freeway. But I just want to take a moment and thank all the new subscribers and the old ones for sticking with me during all this time. It's much appreciated. Yeah, I can hear the vehicles.